200 years ago, armies marched with swords, horses, and muskets. Today, they move with fighter jets, drones, and missiles that can circle the globe in minutes. But here's the real question. How much money are nations actually spending compared to the past? A century ago, even in World War I, military budgets were measured in billions, not trillions. And yet, wars were brutal. Millions died in the trenches, and entire cities fell in World War II. Less spending didn't mean less destruction. It just meant destruction came in blood and fire instead of budgets. Fast forward to today, the numbers are staggering. The US spends more than $895 billion this year, more than the next 10 countries combined. China follows with $249 billion, building the world's fastest-growing navy. Despite sanctions, Russia still pours in $126 billion. India invests $79 billion, climbing into the global top 5. And Britain, no longer an empire, still maintains $62 billion, focused on tech and nukes. Back then, massive wars explained the spending. Now, there's no world war, no global depression. And to quote one of the most iconic movies ever, see if you can guess which one. We're the middle children of history, no purpose or place. We have no great war, no great depression. Today, budgets are bigger than ever, yet the world isn't technically at war. From muskets to machine guns, from horses to hypersonics, defense spending is the story of human history. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Militaries were built to protect. Somewhere along the way, the lines got blurred. So maybe the real question isn't how much we spend on war. It's why we're spending it at all when the wars we fear don't even exist. What do you think? Is the world safer or just more expensive? Drop your thoughts below.